There are several ways to manage packages in the system. Let's say renaming a package can be done right here from the 9 dot menu. We go to billing and we go to packages. Also, when you click here on the three dots, you can go to edit and you can rename the package this way. Just change the name, and then moving forward for the new invoices that will be generated, the new name of the package will be used. But however, there is also another way aside from just renaming the package for all the subscribers. There's also a way to do it per subscriber. So you just click on a specific subscriber, you expand the list here for packages and services, and you select that specific package on the list. And you can edit here to rename. This is on a per subscriber level. Um, so let's say we're going to call this max level. The new name of the subscribed packages will be reflected on the next recurring invoice. It's not going to happen right away. It will take uh, the next invoice for this change to appear. So basically, that's it. And you can probably see the changes already applied on the option here for viewing the upcoming invoice. So let's just take a look if that is the case. I believe it will already be applied for the upcoming invoice, or it should be visible already for the upcoming invoice. Let's just take a look at it here if it's possible to view that. This package, there we go. No, not yet. So it looks like that did not change on the upcoming invoice, but that is something we can look forward to on future invoices. So it looks like there is a starter plan. So we're going to see. Um, okay, there we go. So that's a starter plan. It didn't look like it updated here, but that can be modified as well. Call this test new name. And basically that's it. We're going to try and reload the older invoices here. Okay, I think that's it. That's it. It started showing here under description. Basically, that's the test for the new name, and that will be visible on the invoice. Basically, that's it.